you.
Do you know him?
But no, you just... I don't know him.
Hey! Did you just bless my girl?
What?
Hey, who are you to bless my girl? Do you know her?
Oh,
Stop.
man.
Why did you bless her?
It's a
What are you,
polite
what are you,
thing to
a
do.
priest or something?
No,
Sorry,
it's
just raise it up.
fine.
Don't worry
At
about it.
least bless her. What do you have? Like mental issues or what?
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Remember how I told you guys about my sneezing and the guy who said, you know, if you sneeze more than 3 times or whatever, you're a psychopath or something like that. But anyway.
Una mujer linda estornudando, así que
Ay, mi amor.
So when I was in 7th grade, I sneezed in my Spanish class, and my Spanish teacher told me that there were 17 different ways of sneezing, and mine wasn't one of them.
Baby, I got us in line to meet MGK. They come up to me and said, it's not just me and her, we have 8. Give me 8 classes called after show. And then obviously I'm like, and they saw my limp, and clearly they disinvited me because they wouldn't let us in.
Like, girl, that's just the way I sneeze. I got detention for that. Tell me something that's happened to you similarly, that something you can't help that you got in trouble for. I want to hear it in the comments. Okay, I love you. Bye. Mwah.
Time to get ready for work.
You. Thank you. Thank you. Whew. Thank you.
God. I can't sneeze well. I cannot sneeze
I'm so sick. I cannot stop sneezing. It's insane. And I cannot stop blowing my nose and sneezing. And I'm breastfeeding, and I just like don't like to take medicine like when I'm breastfeeding. I don't know why. But she was sick. It's already Monday, so it's already been over a week for her. She's on the mend. Afric never got sick. I'm dying. There's so much to do. I even felt dizzy earlier. And I got my monthly problem. And I was like, this has to be a certain kind of hell. You get your period, you're breastfeeding, you're so tired from doing that, all of that, and you're sick. Like, I don't know.
It's my nose.
I think maybe I. Should I do zero?
Golly. Jesus. Thank you. Golly.
Hey, first I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and support this.
I had more of my
Get ready with me while trying to speak Romanian. Repede, da, dar.